Imagine a salad so fresh, vibrant, and packed with flavor that it transports you straight to a tropical paradise. This mango avocado salad with coconut lime dressing is exactly that, a refreshing, creamy, and slightly tangy dish that is perfect for summer days, light lunches, or even a colorful side to your favorite grilled dishes. Mango and avocado are a match made in heaven. The sweetness of ripe mango pairs beautifully with the buttery texture of avocado, while crisp cucumbers, red bell peppers, and crunchy toasted coconut add a wonderful variety of textures. To tie it all together, a silky coconut lime dressing brings a burst of citrusy freshness with a hint of tropical indulgence. Ingredients: serves 4. For the salad: 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and diced. 2 ripe avocados, peeled and sliced. 1 small red bell pepper, finely chopped. Half English cucumber, diced. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 1/4 cup toasted coconut flakes. 1/4 cup roasted cashews or macadamia nuts, optional. For the coconut lime dressing: 1/4 cup canned coconut milk. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Half teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. How to make it: in a large bowl, combine the mango, avocado, red bell pepper, cucumber, and red onion. Gently toss to mix. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the coconut milk, lime juice, honey, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper until smooth and well combined. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and gently toss to coat. Sprinkle the chopped cilantro, toasted coconut flakes, and nuts, if using, on top for added crunch and flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy the burst of tropical flavors. Why you'll love this salad. This salad is a game changer. Not only is it packed with fresh, wholesome ingredients, but it also delivers an incredible balance of flavors: sweet, creamy, tangy, and slightly crunchy. It's also highly customizable. You can add grilled shrimp or chicken for protein, swap cashews for almonds, or even toss in some quinoa for extra hardiness. Aside from its delicious taste, this mango avocado salad is loaded with nutrients. Mango is rich in vitamins A and C, while avocado provides healthy fats that are great for your skin and heart. Coconut milk adds a creamy texture while bringing its own dose of antioxidants and minerals. Pro tips for the best mango avocado salad: use ripe but firm mangoes and avocados to avoid them becoming too mushy when mixed. Toast the coconut flakes and nuts for enhanced flavor and crunch. If making ahead, store the dressing separately and toss it with the salad just before serving to keep everything fresh and vibrant. What's your favorite way to enjoy mango and avocado together?